Hey guys, Dave here from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel. Now this is the video series on pro level color grading in Affinity Photo. In this video I will show you gray and yellow color grading effect. Plus you can download this free gray and yellow color grading effect as LUT that I have created in this video. Link in video description and password in this video. So please watch this video till the end and unlock this free LUT and use it in your project. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video. And you can follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image. Go to Adjustment, HSL. Select red, make saturation -100%. Select yellow, make saturation +25%. Select green, saturation -100%. Select cyan, saturation -100%. Select blue, saturation -100%. Select magenta, saturation -100%. Adjustment, selective colors. Here select color reds, make cyan -100%, magenta -100%, yellow +100%, black -100%. Select color yellow, cyan -100%, black -5%. Keep rest as same 0%. Select color green. Here make all slide bar -100%. Select color cyan. Here also make all slide bar -100%. Select color blue. Same, all slide bar -100%. Select color magenta. Same, all slide bar -100%. Select color whites. Here make cyan, magenta, yellow, all slide bar -100%. Black -20%. Select color neutrals. Black +10%. Keep rest as same 0%. Select black, yellow +10%. Black +10%. Keep rest as same 0%. Now make this effect as a LUT. Go to top, left menu, File, Export LUT, give a title and save it. And that's it. This is my final output. Now go to adjustment, LUT, As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, subscribing this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. Also, you can share your valuable comment on this video. You can connect me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching. I'm Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video soon. Till then, keep practicing, because practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.